I'm at 14 Westgate Mews today. I'll show you in a minute. Got a lovely view of the castle just in front of me here, and the property itself is on the second floor of a property that is restricted to the over 55s. There is pool assistance so you can call the emergency services, and there is a security gate. There is parking here as well. It's on a first come first served basis, but most people don't have cars, so it's fairly straightforward. You're right in the middle of the town, so easy to get to have a Costa or head off to the doctors or something, so it's very straightforward, and the building itself is in good order, so I will show you around. So there is a lift. You're on the second floor here. This is the corridor, and you can see the castle up there. There's the back of some of the shops, and there's another set of stairs at that end, and then I'll just show you. You can see the car park down there as well. Good to have some water pressure